Amma and the Temple, written and created by Akansha Khanna. In a small, colorful village nestled between green hills, there lived a wise and loving grandmother known to everyone as Amma. Amma was known for her gentle voice, warm hugs, and most of all, her deep love for the old temple that stood on the hilltop. She was the heart of the village, her wisdom as deep as the roots of the ancient trees that surrounded them. Amma would often tell stories about the temple to the village's children. They would sit around her, their eyes wide with wonder, as she described how the villagers built the temple many years ago, using stones from the nearby river and wood from the sacred forest. Every stone and every pillar seemed to hum with the songs of devotion that had filled its sacred halls for generations, leaving behind this temple as a legacy of devotion and unity. One day, as the children were playing near Amma's house, they noticed that the path leading to the temple had become overgrown with weeds and bushes. Amma, why is the path to the temple so forgotten? Asked little Anya, the youngest of the children. At that moment, a silent agreement blossomed among them. They would not let the path remain forgotten. Together, they resolved to restore not just the forgotten path, but the joy of visiting that sacred space. Early the next morning, the children gathered sticks, stones, and baskets to clear the path. Amma watched them with a twinkle in her eye, knowing that this journey would be more than just clearing the way, it would be a journey of the heart. They didn't notice it at first, but as they neared the temple, they saw that the trees and plants along the path had begun to glow softly as if lit by an inner light. The temple was no longer just a distant place, it was drawing them in, calling them home. When at last they arrived at the temple's gates, the children stopped in their tracks, their breath caught in their throats as they gazed upon a sight more magnificent than their young hearts had ever imagined. The ancient temple, which had once been hidden beneath time's veil, now stood bathed in a radiant golden light. Inside, the children found Amma, sitting peacefully in front of the altar, her face glowing with the same golden light. "Welcome, my dear ones," she said softly. "This temple is a place of love and light, and you have found the way back to it." The air around the temple was alive with an energy so pure and so gentle that it felt as though the universe itself had come to embrace them. From that day on, the temple was no longer forgotten. The villagers would visit it regularly, and the children took turns keeping the path clear. They had learned that the temple's light was always there, waiting for them, and that the path to it was always within their hearts. To a new beginning.